Welcome to video number 2 of my drop servicing course. In this video, we're going to do product research and niche selection. Before we build this website, we need to know the kind of service we're going to be providing to our customers or clients. And that's very important at the beginning stage of your business. Okay, so we're going to research and find the best selling freelancer on Fiverr, and then start creating our website. And after we create our website, we are then going to contact this freelancer. Okay, immediately we get a job or an order. Okay, so this is fiverr.com. I hope you are aware of Fiverr. It's a freelance marketplace. All right, that a seller can provide his service and you, the buyer, can come and purchase it in the form of a digital service. It's just like e-commerce website, but in the form of digital services. Okay, so this is Fiverr. All right, and on top here you can see graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, businesses, lifestyle, and a lot more you can explore or discover on this website. Okay, so what is the niche? What is the category of business you want to render to your people? Is it graphic design services, digital marketing, writing services? Go ahead and think about the service your potential clients will be interested. And also, during your niche selection, make sure that its demand is high in the market and it's also profitable. That will help you in the long run. So think over it. What niche are you going to provide or offer to your clients, and they'll be willing to remove their credit card to place an order on your website? Okay, to place an order on your website and get access to what you're providing. In my case, and for tutorial purposes, I am selecting the programming and tech category because that's what I also teach on this channel. So you can also follow along or copy me by clicking on programming and tech, and then you can discover or explore what Fiverr has for you. But because of tutorial purposes, and also on this website, my demo website, I am providing convert website to Android app service. Because of that, you can come here and click on mobile apps. So when you click on mobile apps, you see different developers offering mobile application development. Also, to bring to your notice that there are also some bad sellers on Fiverr. So to make your detailed search, make sure after you click on the seller, okay, so let me pick a random person here. Okay, so let me just pick, for example, let's pick the first person. Okay, I'm just picking a random person. All right, so it is a good practice to read the reviews about this seller, and if you get 90% good ratings, then that means the seller is qualified and is good to provide this service for you. So this person is offering 3 packages: basic, standard, and premium, just like on our website: basic, standard, and premium. Okay, and so with the basic plan, he will manage your current data spreadsheet through mobile application. Okay, this is not what I actually want to resell, but you know, it's for guest testing tutorial. All right, so you go ahead and then you see this price $20. Make sure you increase it when you come back to your website, make sure you increase it to more than half or more than 100% of what he's offering. So you can, because he's offering $20, you can provide it for $40 and you make $20 profit. Okay, so this is just for example. Okay, let me view his standard package: develop application or medium scale business or professional use application. Okay, yeah, he's developing mobile apps. All right, and this one is $200. You can also increase the price, and this one is $500. I think this is too much. Your clients may not buy. All right, so you can, I'm only showing you how to do product research. Make sure you read the reviews. I'm happy to work on this project. Thank you for your feedback. Okay, this is the seller. So let's look out for the buyers. Good job, good work, thank you. All right, did a professional application, very knowledgeable and communicative. Fantastic. So that means he's a good seller. All right, so that's how you get or you select your sellers after you get your order. Okay, but it's a good practice to stick with one seller. But when you see that he's not providing a good work, then you can change or switch sellers as time to time. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's how you select your seller. But you see, I already have my seller and I'm going to be using that, and I've also ordered service from him, so I'm going to be using this one, this seller, for tutorials. So this is the person, you can see, buy it again. That means I've ordered from this person. Okay, I ordered this for a friend of mine. All right, so I can click on this person. So I'll click on it. Let's wait for it. So this person is promising of converting your website to Android and iOS app, and the basic plan is $5, standard plan is $20, and the premium plan is $40. And I went ahead and increased his basic plan to $25. That means I will be making a profit of $20. His standard package is $20, and I went ahead and increased it to $60. That means $40 profit in case I get an order. And here $40, and I've increased it to $100. You can see that that's $60 in profit. Okay, good. So, and as you can see, he's a good seller. You see 6 orders in queue. I'm not by any means maybe like he has not paid me to promote this for him or something like that, but because I've worked with him, I know he's a good seller, and I'm just using that for tutorials. Okay, and Fiverr has not paid me to do any of this. All right, so I'm just doing my genuine work here. I have nothing to do with these people. Okay, all right, so I hope you are done with your product research and your niche selection. Now what we are going to do is to build our website. So in my next video, we are going to build this amazing website and then create our packages, and we're going to copy everything from on his page, just like this, everything. And you can see this is what I just copied and I've pasted them here exact. You can see, so basic package, you're getting 1 operating system. Standard package, you're getting 2 operating systems. So that means Android and iOS app. You see that? And the same thing, but this one you will be able to publish for the person on both App Store and Play Store. Okay, so that's it. So in my next video, we are going to start the whole creation process, because we needed to know the service we are to provide before creating the website. So the next video, we're going to create our website just like this. Okay, just like this. You can see. All right, So hoping to see you in the next video. That's video number 3, where I will be showing you how to create your website.